How to add privacy page on your website menu on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do simple is go to Wix. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do to add the privacy page right here on your menu, go to the top, click add and click page. Now go down here, click on privacy, it's here all the way down, and choose a template. For example, let's choose this one and wait a few seconds. Now all what you have to do, it's ready, click on edit. Now you can change your edit privacy page, change the title, the paragraph and the buttons. For example, you can change it to accept or agree. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.